Now here we have to obtain the missing values a, b, x and y if these two matrices are equal. Now if you observe, both the matrices are of the same order, that is 2 rows and 3 columns, that is 2 by 3. So we could apply the property of equality of matrices, that is if two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are also equal. So we could say by equality of matrices, now we obtain certain equations. We need to solve those equations and we'll obtain these values. So let us equate this element, first row, first column element, that is 3x plus 4y would be equal to 2. So we have 3x plus 4y equal to 2. Call this as equation 1. Then x minus 2y could be equated to 4. So x minus 2y equal to 4. Now if we solve these two equations, we would easily obtain the values of x and y. So what we do is we try and equalize y over here. So we multiply equation 2 by 2 and let's see what we get here. So we have 2x minus 4y equal to 4 2s is 8, and then subtracting the first equation we get 3x plus 4y equal to 2. Now if we add the two equations, minus 4y plus 4y gets cancelled. So we have 5x is equal to 10. So the value of x is equal to 2. And now we could obtain the value of y from equation 1. So we have 3x, that is 3 times 2 plus 4y is equal to 2. So 6 plus 4y is equal to 2. So 4y is equal to, now 2 minus 6 gives minus 4. So the value for y is minus 1. So we have obtained x and y. Now we move on to finding a and b. Now we could equate these terms. A plus b equal to 5. So also a plus b could be equated to 5. Let us call this as equation 3. And 2a minus b could be equated to minus 5. Let us call this as equation 4. Now we simply add the two equations, so b gets cancelled out. So we have a plus b equal to 5 and 2a minus b equal to minus 5. So if we add the two equations, b and minus b gets cancelled. So we have 3a is equal to, now this total is 0. So the value for a is equal to 0. And now from equation 3, we could obtain the value of b. So 0 plus b is equal to 5. So the value of b is equal to 5. So we have obtained all the four values. So a is equal to 0, b is equal to 5, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1.